Yeah, I can talk about that. I bought it for $1,800. Of course, I can talk about the negative things. Stay tuned. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I appreciate you guys coming by. If you guys haven't done so already, please don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the bell. It's really helping me out to grow and get bigger and make more reviews and create more content. Autel Lite Plus. Here are the things that I totally dislike, but let me tell you that most of the problems I'll be pointing out are possibly fixable through firmware, hopefully. First up on that list is this battery charger that came with this Autel Lite Plus. I don't like it because this plug just simply unplugs. There's no latch for it, there's no security for it. Second of all, once trying to put in all these batteries and once you have them all plugged in, if you manage to do so, they're not always all of them charging up, because yeah, you can stand them up like this and have it hanging like this. But I have returned multiple times to this charger, and for some damn reason, one of the batteries didn't charge, didn't want to follow up charging or whatever it is. Same thing when you try to lay it down like this, the battery already came out. And when you try to adjust this one, this next one pops out. The design is really flawed. It's really not really thought through well. I wish they would have given us a charging hub just like they did with the Autel Evo 2 Pro, which, as you can see it here, is so much easier to just set up, just to hook it up, put the battery in there, all those things. I just don't understand why they gave us a charger like this. Is it something deal breaking? Probably not, but it could have been better. Next thing on the list that I totally dislike about this drone is the hyperlapse function. The hyperlapse function is currently not usable at all. If you do use it and you have to stabilize and crop the hell out of it at the end of post-processing in order to make the footage look feasible, usable, whatever, at that time you lose a lot of side view, picture, wide view, whatever you want to call it. At this point, the hyperlapse is really trash. It's not really what I'm looking forward to in a drone if it offers the function or the feature of a hyperlapse. It's a fail. It's a total fail. Next thing on the list would be the non-existing 10-bit or log profile to record your footage in. A lot of people who look into this price range of like what, $1,800 currently on Amazon and trying to order something like this in order to record footage want to have the possibility of actually having a wide array of colors in order to color grade their footage. Also being able to film in log, which would give you more possibility of color grading itself and color grading your footage. I believe this drone is actually capable of having 10-bit or log, and I do not understand why it wasn't implemented in it. Next thing on the list would be stability wise. When there's wind coming from the side of either side of this drone, footage can get shaky. Also, drifting might be an issue, or positioning of the drone itself hovering in place is an issue. Stability wise, she does create some solid footage even along coastlines, along buildings with heavy winds, but there's still some issues stability wise, which I'm not sure if it's because they used smaller motors in comparison to the Autel Evo 2 Pro to conserve weight, power, or maybe even noise. I do not know, but I'm not quite sure if it's a firmware issue or if it's a hardware issue that is not fixable. So I can't really say anything about it. It just bugs me that there is stability issues with a drone in this price range. Well, these ones are just a few things of the Autel Evo Lite Plus that I don't like. But like I said prior to this, most of the stuff might be firmware related and can be updated, and hopefully will be taken care of by Autel. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you guys did, please don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the bell. Until then, please don't forget, be a nice human, make somebody else smile, and pay it forward. Hello everybody, love you all. I have a feeling I forgot something. Did I forget anything? The one thing that you go about, God, the one thing that you have to remember, what do I have to remember? I forgot what I have to remember. And here goes the dog again. Why does the dog always go crazy when I have to film?